Residents of 18 apartments at the Pier 1 Condominiums were just beginning to dig out Monday after a fire Sunday morning that started on the third floor and tore through the building. Most of the units on the third floor were gutted, and many of the first and second floor units suffered extensive water and soot damage. Residents like Scarlett Hamilton came back to salvage what they could.
My first thought was to grab my chemotherapy medicine because it's so expensive, and just kind of went out, and just watching it happen is just, it sucks the life out of you.
All of the residents made it out safely, and no major injuries were reported, according to the Ocean City-Wright Fire Control District. The State Fire Marshal's office is investigating the fire and is treating it as suspicious, but has not released any more details about its cause.